The Financial Awakening. Trailer. I used to hate my job. Always late, always tired, always rushing. And for a long time, I believed the only way out was quitting, chasing fast money, quick success, early retirement. But I was wrong. I didn't need to stop working. I needed to find my true calling. My profession might not have been a prison. It could have been the launch pad for my financial freedom. What did I understand? The real wealth isn't just about leaving your job and laze around all day. It's about choosing what to do with your life once you have created your financial freedom. And the sooner you stop chasing shortcuts, the sooner you'll start building a life of freedom with purpose, patience, and clarity. This is my story, but it could be yours. This is The Financial Awakening. Coming soon.